Greetings everyone. In this video, we will quickly learn how you can upload high-quality uploads to Instagram. So basically, we will be turning this option. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
So now in order to upload the high-quality photos and videos, we need to open our Instagram. And then click on your icon and go to Settings and then to Account and to Data Usage. Now all you have to do is turn the high quality uploads on. So just by doing this, you can upload high quality photos and videos on Instagram. Hope you learned something useful. Thank you very much.